We're going to head down now so we may seat you. She will be pushed back from the gate. Once everybody's in a seat, seatbelt fastens to the back chair table to deliver up position. All those carrying items completely under 2. Fasten your seatbelt. Slide the flat end into the buckle. To release, lift up from the buckle. Seatbelts low and tight across the hips and at all times while seated. We have 6 emergency exits, 2 forward, 2 over wing, 2 in the back. Signs overhead, lights on the floor will lead you to those exits. In the event of an emergency evacuation, follow flight attendant commands and leave everything. In the event of a water evacuation, use a life vest underneath your seat. Pull the red strap, remove the pouch, place that vest over your head, wrap the black strap around your waist, buckle it in front, and pull to tighten. Once outside, pull down on the red tab to manually inflate, blow into the tube of your shoulder. Also, if the right leg goes off and it hits the water, if you are over your nose and mouth, and breathe normally. Adjust the mask with the elastic strap. Although oxygen will be flowing, the plastic bag may not inflate. If you're I'm bringing candy. We have made it to Denver. Smell pizza.
I know. Hello.
Hey, C-52. Alright. It's just right down there. This is Denver Airport. We are on the flat escalator walking. It's not an escalator, it's, I don't know what you call it. Rolling sidewalk. Alright, we need to find a bathroom, maybe a snack, and then a plug. My phone's gonna die on this next one if I don't get a plug. There. I see it. Alright. Alright.
Maybe attention on Concourse, Southwest Flight
Oh,
2727.
1 minute delay.
Baltimore.
welcome.
Hello. Thank you. All
How's it going?
right. You guys find a in seat. I really want
Ma'am,
to.
can Dominic make an announcement so this is in the short?
That's what I want right there.
Hey folks, when you're putting your roller bags up, please make sure you put them in handles or wheels first.
I'm just gonna stop here.
That's going to maximize room so we can get off. Fasten your seatbelt. Slide the flat end into the buckle. Pull the loose strap to tighten. To release, lift up out the buckle. Position the seatbelt tight and low across your hips. And there's 8 emergency exits, 2 forward exit doors, 4 overwing window exits, and 2 exit doors in the back. The pouch is shown on the safety information card. Place the vest over your head, wrap the strap around your waist, buckle it in the front, and pull to tighten. Once outside, pull down on the red tab to inflate the vest. To maintain oxygen, pull down on the mask until the plastic tubing is fully extended. Place the mask over your nose and mouth to breathe normally, and secure the mask with the elastic strap. Although oxygen will be flowing, the plastic bag may not inflate. Continue wearing the mask until otherwise notified by a crew member. If you are traveling with children or anyone needing special assistance, put your mask on first. If you're wearing a COVID mask, remove that before donning our oxygen mask. All right, we're here for your safety. Let us know if there's anything we can do. Sit back, relax, enjoy this 2-hour and 15-minute flight to New Orleans.
Let's go.
Also, I am going to dim the lights. If you need a reading light, look up.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
You're wonderful.
All right, have a good day.
Hi. We're in New Orleans.
Southwest flight 1588. What's up here? We're going out of B7 to be another Southwest flight 1588. Reporting out of the
There is no parking stopping for waiting on the upcoming mobilized and fine. Smoking and vaping are only allowed outside.
It's my baby.
It's $20 for
What's your name?
Tony.
Tony, thank you. Steak, shrimp, happy hour. This town is obsessed with sloths.